Mongolian gerbils are the adorable desert dwellers that have captured hearts around the world. These small, energetic rodents with their distinctive long tails and curious personalities make them fascinating creatures for kids to learn about. Young explorers, prepare to embark on an amazing journey into the world of these remarkable little animals. Mongolian gerbils are small rodents with bodies measuring about 4 inches long, with tails adding another 4 inches. These furry creatures have sandy brown fur on top with white bellies, perfectly camouflaging them in their natural desert habitat. Their large, dark eyes help them spot predators, while their powerful hind legs allow them to perform impressive jumps and runs. One of the most distinctive features of the Mongolian gerbil is its long tail, which helps it balance when running and jumping. These animals have excellent hearing, with their ears constantly rotating to catch sounds from all directions. Their whiskers are extremely sensitive, helping them navigate in the dark and sense their surroundings. For kids interested in small pets, Mongolian gerbils make wonderful companions because of their friendly nature and relatively easy care requirements. Unlike many other rodents, these gerbils are naturally clean and have very little odor, making them perfect pets for children learning about animal care. The wild home of Mongolian gerbils stretches across the semi-desert and steppe regions of Mongolia, northern China, and parts of Russia. In these harsh environments, temperatures can shift dramatically between day and night. Young explorers, imagine vast landscapes of sand, scattered vegetation, and rolling hills where these remarkable creatures have adapted to survive. In their natural habitat, gerbils create complex burrow systems that can extend several feet underground. These underground homes protect them from extreme temperatures and predators. Their burrows feature multiple chambers including separate areas for sleeping, storing food, and raising their young. The intricate tunnel systems can have multiple entrances and exits, giving these clever animals escape routes when danger threatens. The adaptability of Mongolian gerbils to harsh environments makes them fascinating subjects for educational content for kids. Their ability to thrive with minimal water is especially remarkable, as they can obtain most of their moisture from the foods they eat. These omnivorous creatures have a varied diet in the wild. Mongolian gerbils primarily eat seeds, grains, and plant matter, but they will also consume insects when available. Their cheek pouches allow them to gather large amounts of food and carry it back to their burrows for storage. Watching gerbils forage is entertaining and educational for kids. They use their sensitive paws to dig and their sharp teeth to crack open seeds. Their excellent sense of smell helps them locate food, even when it's buried under sand or soil. In captivity, Mongolian gerbils thrive on a diet of commercial gerbil food, supplemented with fresh vegetables, fruits, and occasional treats. Teaching children about proper gerbil nutrition is a wonderful way to introduce concepts of balanced diets for kids learning about pet care. One of the most fascinating aspects of Mongolian gerbils is their highly social nature. In the wild, they live in family groups called clans that can consist of one breeding pair and several generations of offspring. Their communication involves a variety of vocalizations, from high-pitched squeaks to soft chirping sounds. Beyond vocal communication, these intelligent animals use scent marking to establish territory and communicate with other gerbils. They have special scent glands on their bellies that they rub against objects to leave their signature smell. Watching gerbils interact with each other reveals complex social behaviors that are both entertaining and educational for kids interested in animal behavior. Gerbils also communicate through body language. The position of their tails, ears, and even their whiskers can indicate their mood. A rapidly thumping foot often signals alarm, warning other clan members of potential danger. For such small animals, Mongolian gerbils display remarkable intelligence. They can learn to navigate mazes, recognize their names, and even perform simple tricks with patient training. Their natural curiosity drives them to explore new environments and objects, making them fascinating subjects for children learning about animal intelligence. In the wild, these clever rodents solve problems daily, finding efficient foraging routes, building complex burrow systems, and evading predators. Their excellent spatial memory helps them remember food caches and navigate their territory, even in the dark. Fun animals for kids. YouTube videos often showcase how these intelligent creatures interact with enrichment toys, demonstrating their problem-solving abilities in ways that are educational and entertaining for kids. The family life of Mongolian gerbils provides wonderful learning opportunities for kids interested in animal development. Female gerbils have a pregnancy lasting about 24 days, after which they typically give birth to 4 to 8 pups. The babies are born hairless with closed eyes, but they develop quickly. What makes these animals especially interesting for children to learn about is how the entire family participates in raising the young. Even older siblings help care for their younger brothers and sisters, demonstrating cooperation and family bonds that children can relate to. By 3 weeks of age, the pups are fully furred and beginning to explore outside the nest. This rapid development offers exciting opportunities for kids to observe growth and change in the animal world. Watching gerbil babies grow provides wonderful educational content for kids learning about life cycles. In the wild, Mongolian gerbils need impressive survival skills to thrive in their harsh desert environment. Their acute hearing helps them detect predators like owls, snakes, and foxes long before they arrive. When threatened, these quick rodents can run in unpredictable zigzag patterns to confuse predators. One of their most interesting defense mechanisms is their ability to sand bathe. These gerbils roll in fine sand, which helps keep their fur clean and free of parasites. This behavior is not only practical but also highly entertaining to watch, making it popular in educational videos for kids. Their powerful hind legs allow them to perform impressive jumps when escaping danger, and they can even lose part of their tail skin if grabbed by a predator, giving them a chance to escape while sacrificing only a small part of themselves. Mongolian gerbils have played important roles in human society beyond being beloved pets. These animals became important research subjects in the 1960s and continue to contribute to scientific discoveries in fields ranging from psychology to medicine. For children interested in science, learning how these small animals have helped researchers understand brain development, hearing, and social behavior can be fascinating. The gerbils' natural behaviors make them excellent models for studying how animals adapt to environmental challenges. As pets, Mongolian gerbils have brought joy to countless children around the world. Their friendly nature, active daytime schedule, and entertaining antics make them perfect educational companions for kids learning about responsibility through pet care. Young explorers, did you know that Mongolian gerbils can jump up to 12 inches high? That's like a human jumping over a building. These amazing creatures can also run on their hind legs like tiny kangaroos when moving at high speeds. Another fascinating behavior that children love to learn about is thumping. When alarmed, gerbils rapidly stomp their hind feet, creating vibrations that warn other gerbils of danger. This drumming can be felt through the ground by other gerbils even if they can't hear it. Gerbils also engage in an adorable behavior called boxing, where they stand on their hind legs and gently bat at each other with their front paws. This isn't fighting, but actually a form of play and social bonding that's entertaining to watch in educational videos for kids. While Mongolian gerbils are abundant as pets, wild populations face challenges from habitat loss due to agriculture and urban expansion. Teaching children about conservation through the story of these animals helps create awareness about protecting animal habitats worldwide. Climate change also affects the desert ecosystems where these gerbils live, potentially altering food availability and burrow conditions. By learning about these impacts, children can understand broader environmental concepts in ways that connect to an animal they care about. Conservation efforts focusing on preserving steppe and desert habitats benefit not only gerbils, but countless other species that share their ecosystem. Stories about animal conservation provide valuable learning opportunities for kids developing environmental awareness. Young explorers, our journey through the fascinating world of Mongolian gerbils has shown us how these small creatures have enormous importance. From their amazing adaptations to desert life, to their complex social structures, these furry friends offer endless opportunities for discovery and learning. Understanding animals like the Mongolian gerbil helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of life on our planet. When children learn about different animals, they develop empathy, curiosity, and a sense of wonder about the natural world. These small creatures teach us big lessons about adaptation, family cooperation, and surviving in challenging environments. Whether you're watching gerbils play, studying their behaviors, or perhaps even caring for them as pets, these wonderful animals connect us to the wider world of nature. Their stories remind us that even small creatures can have big impacts on our understanding of the world around us. We hope you've enjoyed this wild adventure into the world of Mongolian gerbils. If you want to continue exploring amazing animals with us, make sure to subscribe to our Fun Animals for Kids channel on YouTube. We have many more exciting animal stories waiting for you. Join us next time as we discover another fascinating creature from our wonderful world. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep your curiosity wild.